Bryce here, and today's lesson is for a standard 4, and our objective of the video today will be looking at integers, and also we'll be looking at positive and negative numbers using a number line, of course, and also we'll be showing how to construct a number line for integers, and that will be the basics for today. So we're looking at integers, and if we would research what are integers, we would say integers are whole numbers, and integers are whole numbers that can either be negative or positive. So I'm going to be using green for positive and red for negative. So it says that integers is a set of whole numbers. So you, in your notebook, you can go ahead and make something like this, whole numbers, and we're gonna do a small little table. And when it says the integers can either be negative numbers, so I'm using the red, negative numbers, or they can either be positive numbers. And when we're talking about negative numbers, we're talking about numbers that have a value. So these numbers are less than 0. And positive numbers are numbers that are more than 0. Okay? And I see that we have 0 here. So let's talk a little bit about 0. And what do we know about the number 0? We know that when someone says you have 0, you have nothing. But 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is a number that it's neither positive nor negative. Okay? So you can say 0 is right here. It's neither negative nor it's neither positive. And we're going to look at it why I placed it right here in the middle. I'll show you guys why I place it here in the middle. So yes, so if we recap integers, we know integers are a set of whole numbers. And whole numbers, when we're talking about whole numbers, we're talking of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We're talking about numbers. Those are what are considered whole numbers. Now we want to look at a number line, integers on a number line. But we must first know what is a number line. And a number line is a straight horizontal line with numbers placed at even intervals. Intervals meaning at sides, at even sides. So we know that this is vertical. But it says a number line is a horizontal line, meaning it goes from left to right. Okay? Vertical is up and down. So it says that a number line is a straight horizontal line. So we're going to pretend that I am drawing a straight line. With your rulers, you guys can draw a straight line across horizontally.
Take a second to look at the number line.
Right. So that's a number line. So let's make the connection between positive and negative numbers, integer numbers. We know that 0 is neither negative or positive. But apart from the minus sign in front of the negative numbers, what can we tell about the numbers? We can say that all positive numbers reflect negative numbers, right? Because we have positive 1, there is a negative 1. So for every positive number, there is a negative number that can be written. So using the online dice, I'm going to place the link in the comment section. Using your online dice, we're going to roll your dice. You're going to roll your dice 5 times. Alright, I'm going to keep this here. So let's say so now let's practice. And you're going to be using an online dice, or if you have a dice at home, you can use your die that you have at home. So we're going to roll this die 5 times. So on my first roll, let's say I get the number 1. I'm going to put 1 because we're dealing with positive numbers. And then on my second throw, let's say I get the number 6. On my third try, I get a number 6 again. And my fourth try, I got, just let's say I got number 2. And then I got 6 again. Alright? So I'm going to put this number on my number line. 0 goes here. I'm going to put this number on my number line. Okay? And reading this number, remember after every 3 numbers, we put our comma. 1, 2, 3. I place my comma there. So, if we were saying that for every positive number, there is a negative number, then I know that 1, 6, 6, 2, 6 with my negative reflects a negative number. So, reading this number, we would say 16,626. 16,626. And if you've forgotten about how to read your number, then we go back and we read this number here as 16,626. There's no and in when we're reading numbers unless we're talking about decimals or money. So 16,626, but there's a negative in front of this number. So we have to say negative 16,626. And if you've forgotten how to read numbers, go ahead and create your place value chart. And then you put your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your thousand, your 10,000, your 100,000, and your million. And you go ahead and put in your numbers there. Remember, after 1, 2, 3, there is a comma. Okay?
Okay, guys, now you practice with the one given in your worksheet. And I will see you guys on Thursday, okay? Remember to be safe and stay at home.